First, go to logomakr.com. Basic overview. To add text, you can click on the T icon. To add shape, you can click the shape you want. To paint it to a specific color, you can click on the paint bucket and choose the color. And to undo the changes, you can click on undo. This is the color palette where you can fill the colors, change the opacity and change the color of the outline. This is the layer section where you can take an image front or back. On the right hand side we have an option to crop the logo. This is the tutorial section where you will see different videos of tutorials. From here you can pick the logo that you want. There are thousands of logos that you can choose from. This is the setting section, and on the right hand side we have save logo option. This is the setting section where you can change the document size, background color and the canvas option. I will choose it to be blank and the background color as transparent.